You know that nagging feeling in your gut that no matter how hard you work, your money just disappears? Most people in the UK are secretly losing thousands of pounds every single year without even realizing it. It's not about being bad with money, it's about 5 sneaky habits keeping you stuck. And no, it's not just about cutting out your daily coffee, though that can help. It's about understanding the silent money drains that are far more dangerous. Let's be real. The UK right now feels like a financial battlefield. Bills are skyrocketing, food prices are insane, and rent? Don't even get me started. We're constantly chasing our tails, wondering where all our hard-earned cash went. It feels like you're trying to fill a bucket with holes in it, right? But what if those holes aren't obvious? What if they're hidden in plain sight? Here are the 5 money habits quietly keeping you poorer, and exactly how to plug those leaks today. Habit number 1. The only a little bit illusion. This is telling yourself, it's only $3 for that coffee. It's just $10 for that streaming service. Or a few quid for that app subscription. Separately, they seem tiny but added up. They're a significant drain. Most people don't realize how quickly these add up. Let's say you buy a $3 coffee 5 times a week. That's $15. Over a year, that's $780. Then add that unused gym membership at $30 a month or those 3 streaming services you barely watch at $10-15 each. Suddenly, you're looking at over $1,000 a year just gone. The fix? Do a subscription audit today. Check your bank statements for the last 3 months. Cancel anything you don't use or get value from. And for those daily spends, try bringing a flask. This one alone could save you hundreds. Habit number 2. The head in the sand budget, or rather, the lack of one, or a really bad one. Many of us just hope for the best, thinking, I know roughly what I spend. Or we try a super complicated budget that lasts 3 days before we give up. This habit leaves you completely blind to where your money is actually going. You're making decisions based on feelings, not facts. The fix? Try a simple 50-30-20 budget. 50% of your take-home pay for needs. Rent, bills, food, 30% for wants, hobbies, dining out, entertainment, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. There are loads of free apps like Monzo or Revolut that categorize spending for you. Make it easy. Watch this part carefully because knowing your numbers is your superpower. Habit number 3. The later will be better procrastination trap. This is telling yourself, I'll start saving when I earn more, or investing is too complicated. I'll figure it out later. This mindset is lethal, especially with inflation eroding your cash. Every single day you delay, you're losing potential growth and letting inflation eat away at your money. The fix? Automate your savings and investing, even small amounts. Set up a standing order for 10, 20, whatever you can afford, to go straight into a separate savings account or an ISA on payday. You won't even miss it. And remember the power of compound interest, even on small sums. Even $25 a week, consistently saved, adds up massively over time. Stick with me, because the next 2 habits are ones almost everyone falls for, and the last one is the one most people ignore completely. Habit number 4. The interest-free illusion of buy now, pay later. Klarna, ClearPay, PayPal. Pay in 3, they seem great, right? Get it now, pay later, no interest. But this convenience can be a slippery slope into debt, making you buy things you can't truly afford. You're effectively borrowing money without even thinking about it, turning wants into needs. It fragments your budget and makes tracking spending a nightmare. The fix? If you can't afford it now, don't buy it now. Period. Save up for bigger purchases. Use a separate savings pot for specific items. Remember, if you miss a payment, the fees can be nasty, and it can even hit your credit score. Habit number 5, the loyalty pays myth, especially with bills. Many of us just stick with our broadband, energy, or insurance providers year after year. We think switching is a hassle, or that our current provider will reward our loyalty. The harsh truth? Loyalty almost never pays in the UK. New customers get the best deals every single time. You are literally paying more than you need to, just for inertia. Most people don't know that a simple phone call or 10 minutes on a comparison site can save you hundreds a year. Let me tell you about Sarah from Manchester. She was paying $45 a month for her broadband and $700 a year for car insurance. She used to dread renewing them. But after hearing this advice, she set a calendar reminder for a month before her contracts expired. A quick 20-minute hunt online and a phone call later, she switched broadband to a faster deal for $30 a month and found car insurance for $480. That's a massive $440 saving in less than half an hour of effort. What could you do with that extra cash? The fix. Set a calendar reminder a month before any major contract expires. Broadband, mobile, insurance, energy. Then spend 15-20 minutes on comparison sites like Uswitch or Compare the Market. Seriously, it's that easy. Even if you don't switch, armed with a better quote, call your current provider and haggle. They'll often match or beat it to keep you. If you're nodding along and found these habits relatable, please hit that like button. It helps more people in the UK discover how to reclaim their financial power. And subscribe if you want more practical, no-nonsense UK money tips. These aren't just bad habits. They're often subtle traps disguised as convenience or small treats. But now you know. You've got the tools. Don't wait for someday to start fixing your finances. Start today, even with just one small change. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. Go out there and make your money work harder for you, not against you.